Welcome to FXStreet. If you like what we're talking about, you like the content we're producing, head on over to YouTube, hit that subscribe button, and you can follow Akash and I individually on Twitter. Akash at Mangeko, my at 0, and myself at Just Analysis 1. Taking a look here at Decentraland. Decentraland, it's been on a pretty steady down drive. No big surprise there when you look at when it hit its all-time high back in on November 25th to where the current close is at. It's down about 56%, kind of in the ugly zone. It's come down to test the 382 fib retracement, where currently that's where its test is at 258. A little bit of a possible bounce there. It's been in a bull market for quite a while, and now it's just dipped below that 40 zone for the first time, where if it hits 30, then it shifts into bear market conditions. There was some hidden bullish divergence on it, but that's since been invalidated, and it's just ugly. Now it's no longer hidden bullish divergence. It's just regular lows. It's hit a new 2-month low during this session, but there's a noted bounce coming up here, or happening rather, as it's been down 5 days in a row. This is like all of the altcoins kind of have the same shakeout setup. They got these established lows. They're kind of a broader, descending triangle pattern, but the down thrust out of it has been strong initially, but it's really like, well, I don't know what the word is. It's subsided by a large degree. So Mana looks like it's kind of wanting to develop a swing low here. We'll see. On the point and figure chart, it's on the 20-cent 3-box reversal chart. It's completed a descending triple bottom, and the problem with it is it's got this kind of a split triple bottom now. This is not really a split triple bottom. I take that back. A little too extreme for that. But if it fails to really respond to this descending triple bottom, that's going to be a big deal. It's going to be an example of a trap pattern in point and figure. So I've had this buy stop sitting above at 380 waiting for a break, because if it does move up to the entry, it will also have converted into a bull market at the same time. So it's right on this zone where it could have a very substantial bounce and push towards its prior all-time highs. And that's what I see for Decentraland. It was actually downside risks. I'm maintaining her down at the $2 level, which is also a zone I think it would hit because it hasn't had a 50% retracement yet. So that's what I see, Akash. I'll pass it off to you.
So let me talk about this descending trend line first. Mana has been below that since 28th November 2021, and although it did attempt a fake out here on 16 Jan, it failed to sustain that, and prices slipped below this trend line again, which is still active. So right now the price is hovering around this 3-day support level here at 2.57, and as you can see here, the support level originates here and can be seen a little vividly on a candlestick pattern because of these wicks down here served as a really good support level. So unlike other altcoins, which I'm relatively bearish on, Mana shows, at least to me, in my opinion, not facts, shows promise, and I believe it could see a 14 or 15% upswing to this weekly resistance level here at 2.9, probably even $3. That's what I see for Mana. The upside is capped at $3, and the downside at 2.20, which is the lower limit of this demand zone here, extending from 2.2 to 2.8. So I see it barely grazing above this demand zone's upper limit and retesting the $3 level. Any move beyond this seems unlikely and will not go beyond 3.12. But if we see a strong recovery in the market, which I am which I think is unlikely. There's this liquidity pool here above 3.38, which is where the market makers are going to take the price, and I see this is where the local top is going to be for Mana in an extremely bullish case scenario. Again, the downside is limited to 2.2, considering the current market nature. But if Bitcoin ever decides to fall down to $30,000, then I believe this FPG here from 2.2 to 0.860 will at least be somewhat filled, and I believe the midway point here is around 1.5, and that's where I expect Mana to head down to. That's my take on Decentraland.
All right. Well, thank you, Akash, and thank you everybody else for watching. Have a great weekend. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.